Now look at this JAMB government question. It says an attribute that makes a state to be recognized as independent is, please don't quickly go and pick territory. No, okay? Please, this is easy, straightforward, but if you're too fast, you're gonna pick the wrong answer. All right. Some people would just go and pick government or even population. No. Okay, the attribute that makes a state to be recognized as independent is its sovereignty. Okay, the right option here is sovereignty. Okay, which is the attribute that makes a state to be recognized as independent. All right, so it refers to the full right and power of a governing body over itself without any interference from any outside sources. Okay, the US cannot come and start dictating anything for us. Any other country cannot, because Nigeria, we're a sovereign body. Okay, so uh this is the attributes that will recognize a state to be independent. Okay, please, my government students, my art students, please share these videos. Okay, you've complained enough, and I'm doing this for you. So please share to your colleagues, everyone preparing for JAMB 2024 examination. And if you want to practice more, don't forget to get the DTW JAMB CBT app. You have all your art subjects. Every subject on the JAMB syllabus is in the DTW tutorials JAMB CBT app for your art, science, and commercial subject. You can get it. You can freely download it on Google Play Store and see the so many features. Okay, classroom notes. See everything before you now pay the 3,000. People say, "Oh, why should I?" I say, "Why should I pay?" Go and see what you have. All your past questions from 1992, the booklet that you go to buy, everything, the contents with correct solutions is in the DTW CBT app. Okay, you have, and best also, you have this JAMB CBT interface to practice with. You have your countdown timer, you have every resources, your literature text, everything, your life changer, everything is in the DTW JAMB CBT app. So it's even more, what's more than 3,000 naira. So please invest in your exam and get it now. 9 days to your exam. There's still a lot you can achieve with a CBT app. Please do get it and practice and practice. As I say, before you get into the hall, simulate your exam. And simulating means you are practicing a particular strategy. I've done a video for you on how to manage your time. Please use a CBT app and practice. And use the DTW JAMB CBT app to practice. Okay? So if you want to join our intensive JAMB online tutorial, it's not only for science students, we do for art too. Okay? We do for art. Join us. All the links would be in the video description box of this video. If you want to download the app on your laptop, the links is also in the video description box, or you can WhatsApp me if you're having any problem. Please do make sure you subscribe to our channels, okay, our TikTok, our YouTube. All right, and you can check our website for several other downloads. All right, so from us, please do know that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for He's the way, He's the truth, He's the life. He's the one who's going to give you peace here on earth, though. Okay, He's the one who's going to give you wealth. He's the one who's going to give you divine health and divine protection. Okay, remove every fear. Some of us might have. I remember then when I wasn't in Christ, I say I'm afraid I will lose my life. But when I gave my life to Christ, oh my God, there's like, when you are being set free from bondage of fear. Okay, so Jesus can do it. Any fear of exam, any fear, come to Jesus. He will give you that power to. He said he has not given you the spirit of fear, but of power, of love, and a sound mind. Come to Jesus today. Okay, so don't forget that you are destined to win. What is DTW? It is destined to win. You are destined to win in the forthcoming JAMB 2024 examination and also in life. Take care and stay blessed. See you in our next video.